I'm gonna show you how to make the best peri peri chicken. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making delicious peri peri chicken platter. This platter will have peri peri chicken drumsticks, wings, and peri peri chicken burger. We will be using Kasori's dual blaze twin air fryer. Trust me, you're all gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First, we are going to make our peri peri marinade. I've adjusted the recipe to make it more tangy, spicy, fresh. It's gonna be so good. First, we're gonna use some of these bird's eye chilies, 2 small red chilies, spring and red onion for more flavor, a whole lime without the seeds, also using some of the orange again for more flavor, zest of fresh orange and lime. How can we forget the garlic? Perfect. Tomato paste adds a bit more body to our marinade. For the spices, we're using here salt, sugar, oregano, rosemary, smoked paprika, all go straight in. Throwing some of the vinegar to bring everything together. Sunflower oil is going to help emulsify the sauce a bit, and finally some water. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Have a little taste now and adjust anything if you need to. That is so delicious. Now you can remove some of this marinade for later use. I'm also going to use some of the spices for our peri peri chicken. Here we've got some of the mango powder, white pepper, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, salt, and some of the cayenne pepper. Mix everything properly. For the chicken, I'm using breast that has been sliced in the middle, wings, and some drumsticks. For the drumsticks, if you got some extra time, you want to slice it in the middle and open it up. It will add a bit more flavor to them. Now add a good touch of our spices. I'm using around 2 teaspoons or so. Now throw in our marinade. And now using your hands, you want to give this a really good mix. Coat everything properly, you know. One of the best peri peri chicken platter that you guys are gonna try. Now you want to leave it to marinate in the fridge for a couple of hours. For the sauce, here we've got some of the mayonnaise, sriracha, and some of the peri peri. In that, throw in some of the spices, layer of the vinegar, and I'll just give that a really good mix. We can use this now for our peri peri burgers, wings, anything that you really like. For the rice, I'm gonna use this foil pepper tray with a lid. First, I'm gonna throw in the rice that was soaked in water for at least 30 minutes or so. Some of these onions and peppers. For the spices here, I've got some of the garlic powder, turmeric, some of our mixed spice, salt, and some of the cumin powder. All go straight in. A good touch of oil in there. And finally, we're gonna throw in our chicken stock in there. Now, using a fork, you wanna give this a really good mix. Super easy to make and there's no mess. Now, cover it with a lid or foil paper. Make sure it's nice and tight. As energy prices continue to rise, switching to an air fryer can save you up to 55% on your energy bills compared to traditional ovens. And today I'm excited to show you the Kasori Twin Fry, a versatile, powerful air fryer that's transforming the way I cook at home. This model from Kasori features unique grand zone and dual zone design. You can cook one large meal in the 10-liter grand zone or insert the divider and prepare 2 different dishes at once. It's perfect for family meals or mixed dietary needs. Watch how easy it is to switch between modes using the touch screen with 6 cooking presets and the amazing sync cook and sync finish functions. Whether you're roasting veg or crisping up wings, it adapts instantly. You can also control everything remotely using the VSync app, preheat, adjust temperature, monitor progress, and access over 140 recipes, including pet treats. The dual blaze tag with 4 fast heaters ensures evenly cooked food top and bottom, reducing cooking time by up to 65%. And because it uses up to 95% less oil, it's a great option for healthier everyday meals. Just look at that crisp finish, juicy inside, golden outside. It also comes with handy accessories like tongs, and syncing to the VSync app couldn't be easier. It's truly designed for modern lifestyles. Carefully place the rice here. Kasori provides you with tongs, so that's what I'm gonna use. Also, make sure to remove the chicken from the fridge at least 20 minutes, before you start cooking. You can hold it from the sides, like so. We're gonna use both zone 1 and 2. For zone 1, I want the temperature to around 200 C. I'm gonna let it cook for around 25 minutes. And for zone 2, I want the temperature to around 200 C again, but the timing needs to be around 30 minutes. So you see, the beauty of this air fryer is there's 2 different compartments and each can have its own temperature. I love that. Press start and we are good to go. Or while that's cooking, let's make a quick refreshing mint drink. Going with the juice of fresh lemon, juice of fresh lime as well, and with the juice of fresh orange, and with the blended mint. And finally, we're gonna throw in some of the soda water in there. One of the best drinks that you guys are gonna try. It's gonna be so refreshing. And now just cover this up and leave it in the fridge to chill. Amazing color. Chicken has an amazing color. We're just gonna turn it halfway. One of the best peri peri chicken that you guys gonna try, honestly. Alright, so I can see our chicken is done now, but the rice is still cooking. So I can open to remove the chicken. Just look at that. Chicken look absolutely delicious. Remove all the drumsticks into your bowl and now just carry on cooking the rice. And I'm just gonna finish our drumstick with some of our peri peri sauce. Alright, so the rice is done now, it's cooling off. Carefully remove the rice. And now we're gonna throw in our chicken wings and chicken fillets. And now for this I'm gonna use the sink option. Zone 1, we got our wings in there. We're gonna let them cook for around 23 minutes, alright? And the chicken breast we're gonna do for around 180 Celsius, and it should take around 7 to 8 minutes. You can program each zone and use sync to have both zones finish at the same time. It's holding off the chicken breast for now. After 12 minutes or so, it's gonna start cooking the breast as well. Alright, let's check our rice now. Be careful, it's still hot. Air fryer has done a great job on these, cooked to perfection. So the wings are done now. Again, I'm just gonna remove it into the same bowl. I'm gonna let the breast cook for a little bit more. Our chicken fillets are done. It looks absolutely delicious. And now for the peri peri chicken burger, you wanna grab your toasted bun, go in with some of the peri peri mayonnaise sauce. Don't be shy. Extra is always better. A little bit of this peri peri sauce. Throwing some of the tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, some of the cabbage. Pinch of salt and pepper on that. Our amazing peri peri chicken burgers. A little bit more of the peri peri sauce. Add a bit of sweetness with this mango chutney. And now you chop off the bun with more sauce. That looks absolutely delicious, you know. Alright guys, let's plate this up. First we're going with our delicious peri peri chicken drumsticks. And then we go our peri peri chicken wings. Serving it with our delicious Nandos style rice. Some salad if you like. And of course our peri peri chicken burger. And finally some of our sauce. That looks so mouth watering. You guys gonna absolutely love this peri peri chicken platter. Overall, I really enjoyed cooking with this air fryer. I also love the compact and modern design of this air fryer. And finally, the sync and match options are game changing. So if you're looking for a healthy frying option and want to save money on your energy bills, then check out the Kosori's Dual Blaze Twin Air Fryer. I will leave the links down below. Thank you Kosori for sponsoring this video.
Perfect.
Alright guys, let's try our peri peri chicken platter. Looks so mouth-watering. Kosori has done an amazing job cooking all this. Let's start with some of the rice and salad. Bismillah. Wow, those are so flavorful. It was so easy to prep them. Alright, let's try our peri peri chicken now. Bismillah. Wow. So good, you know. Like I said before, one of the best peri peri chicken that you guys gonna try. Amazing color, you know. Everything is cooked to perfection here. Let's try the chicken with some of the rice. So mouth-watering. In my honest opinion, this doesn't require any sauce. So tender, juicy, one of the best chicken ever. Has a slight kick to it which is expected. You can always adjust the heat. Alright, it's time to try our peri peri chicken burger now. Bismillah. Wow. Again, I'm lost for words, just look at that. What an amazing peri peri chicken. Bismillah. Wow, that is just amazing. A perfect way to end the dinner. I really hope you guys will enjoy this peri peri chicken platter with your family and friends. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Always enjoy.